The steps to solve an equation using a graphing utility and the root function or zero function are: 1. Write the equation in the form where you have the expression in x is equal to 0. Then graph y equals the expression. Then using the zero or root feature in the calculator to find the zeros or x-intercepts of the graph. For example, let's find the solutions of the following equation and round answers to 2 decimals. Notice that the equation is already set equal to 0. That's step 1. Now in y equals, we'll type in our equation, x cubed. To get the cube, we can hit the caret button and then 3. We'll use the arrow here to jump out of the exponent, minus 5x minus 1. Now we graph. If your graph looks different, it's possible that your zoom is off. You can always hit zoom 6 to standardize your zoom window. Now we want to go to the calculate option. Notice that's in blue above trace. We need to hit second and then trace, and then we'll get the calculate options. We're looking for 0. So we can scroll down, or we could just simply hit 2. Notice it's now asking for a left bound. We want to scroll over until you get to the left side of that first x-intercept, that first 0. You want to get close to it. Just make sure you're on the left side of it and hit enter. Now it's asking for the right bound. So we're going to use our arrow to jump up over that x-intercept and make sure we're on the right side of it. Hit enter. It's going to ask for a guess. Hit enter one more time and you'll get the approximate x-intercept or 0. So our first x-intercept or 0 is roughly negative 2.13. We'll repeat this process for our next 0. Second trace will take us to the calculate option, and then we want number 2. Scroll until you get to the left side of that intercept, get close to it, hit enter. Then we need to go on the right side, hit enter and enter to guess, and we get our estimate here. Looks like it's roughly negative 0.20. And then finally, the last one, second trace, number 2 for the zeros. We'll scroll until we get to the left side, enter, scroll till you get to the right side, enter, enter, and this time we get roughly 2.33.